Okay, folks, I guess the world of AI is changing forever. There's a new open source AI known as DBRX developed by Databricks. This stunning open source AI model is allegedly set to outperform even the most popular AIs you've heard about. Yes, you heard that right. So stick around, folks, as we see how DBRX is setting cool new benchmarks, why it matters, what this means for the future of AI, and then some. So, DBRX, with its sophisticated architecture, offers unprecedented processing speed and efficiency. Launched by Databricks, this AI model is built with a whopping 132 billion parameters and has beaten giants like Meta's Llama 2 in some measures. But what does this mean? It means that DBRX is equipped to handle and process vast amounts of information with a level of sophistication and efficiency that is unprecedented in open source models. Its ability to perform complex language understanding, problem solving, and even code generation tasks is simply shaking the tech world. And get this, DBRX matches and even surpasses the performance of highly renowned models like OpenAI's GPT 3.5. In benchmark tests, DBRX even gave a run for their money to heavyweight models like GPT-4. Specifically, it performed 34% better on average in natural language understanding benchmarks and showed a 50% improvement in code compilation tasks compared to other leading models. Now, let's talk about DBRX's secret weapon. At its core, DBRX harnesses a cutting-edge mixture of experts MOE architecture. This is a game changer in processing speed. In simpler terms, DBRX doesn't use its entire set of capabilities for every task. Instead, it activates only the necessary parts required for a specific job. This approach leads to much faster responses. Now, the use of retrieval-augmented generation systems, RAG, is a key feature here. These systems leverage the model's ability to handle large amounts of information, long context capabilities, to improve how effectively the model can generate responses or solutions in real-world scenarios. This results in not only quicker but also more relevant and precise outputs. Moreover, DBRX architecture is built on something called the Mega Blocks project. The setup tweaks the mixture of experts layers to ramp up parameter efficiency and speed. It uses only 36 billion parameters actively at any time, out of a total of 132 billion. Of course, this means it gets more done without burning extra compute power. Pretty slick, right? DBRX is also incredibly well learned. It's trained on a massive 12 trillion tokens of curated text and code data. This model brings a depth of understanding and adaptability that's just unmatched. I guess that whether it's deciphering complex code or grasping subtle nuances of language, DBRX handles it with ease. And let's talk results, where it really counts. In head-to-head matchups on programming language understanding and mathematical tasks, DBRX leads the pack. It notably outperforms popular models like Mistral AI. Folks, this is a leap that's setting new benchmarks in the AI community. Wouldn't you agree? Now, DBRX outshines others not only in raw performance, but is also about twice as fast as some of the best models out there like Llama 2 70B at inference tasks, which is crucial when processing vast amounts of data in real-world applications. And let's not forget, it does this with fewer active parameters engaged during each task, showing that more isn't always better. Sometimes it's about being smarter. This AI's prowess also sort of extends to specialized areas such as programming and complex problem solving, outperforming other top-tier models. DBRX scores 70.1% on HumanEval and 66.9% on GSM-8K, surpassing other prominent models such as Grok 1. I think this capability makes DBRX a real jack of all trades. But that's just the start. The open source nature of DBRX means that any developer, anywhere, can access and modify the code. With access on platforms like GitHub and Hugging Face, developers can tweak, tune, and integrate DBRX into their projects. The possibilities are endless. You can take this model, augment it, fine-tune it, or even use it as the foundation to create your very own custom large language model. Databricks is stepping up the game by offering DBRX through its Foundation Model API, making its Instruct version super accessible for developers eager to harness this cutting-edge technology in their current projects. This easy access encourages widespread use and continual enhancements within the DBRX user community. By tapping into collective wisdom, this platform is set to expand what open-source large language models, LLMs, can accomplish. And I guess it really is a goldmine for developers and tech enthusiasts. You can also combine DBRX with Mosaic AI. This powerful duo can provide tools that help you deploy production-quality generative applications. What does this mean? Simply put, you get applications that are safe, accurate, and governed by the highest standards of compliance and efficiency. And this is crucial, especially when you're aiming to create solutions that need to stand up in real-world scenarios. With DBRX and Mosaic AI, developers have virtually everything they need to build, scale, and manage AI applications with confidence. But we will see in the long run what will happen, although some are already using DBRX. Big names like Nasdaq and Accenture are already putting DBRX to work, leveraging its AI muscle to kick innovation into high gear and streamline their operations. Why does this matter? Because when power players in the Biz World Bank are on DBRX, it's a solid nod to how powerful this AI is, handling complex, industry-specific challenges like a champ. Here's where it gets even more interesting: the flexibility in hosting. DBRX allows you the option to host it privately, which is a game changer for those concerned with data privacy and specific customization needs. This flexibility means you can fine-tune the model on your own servers. What this does is it makes it more cost-effective than continually upgrading or investing in expensive GPUs just to run your tasks. This approach saves on hardware costs and makes sure that you can adapt the AI to meet the exact needs of your business or project without compromise. So, while the upfront cost might be higher, the potential savings and customization options open up a world of possibilities. Next, we have some crucial aspects of any AI's development, which are safety and ethics. You know, OpenAI models like DBRX bring up big questions about safety and ethics. For this, we'll go into what makes an AI model both powerful and safe. You see, the open source nature of DBRX is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it promotes transparency and broad access, allowing for extensive testing and improvement by a global community. On the other hand, it could potentially be modified for harmful purposes if not properly regulated. Critics argue that while DBRX is a formidable tool, ensuring its ethical use is very important. This includes implementing robust security measures to prevent misuse and continuously updating the model to handle ethical dilemmas that may arise. So while DBRX represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities, I guess that ensuring it remains a force for good involves ongoing dialogue and cooperation among developers, regulators, and users. Okay, folks, if you made it this far, drop an AI in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and give us a like to keep up with the latest AI news and to support us. See you in the next one, folks. You all take care.